Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi, welcome to today's Practical Hakka.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭，
我是 Emily.
我是杜华.
Okay, today we're going to talk about something that Ron absolutely loves to do. And that would be paying the bills. 我们今天要讨论的就是缴费的客家说法。好，那第一个就是我们最常去做的，就是我们去便利商店缴水费。
我爱去便利商店缴水费。
Oh, that's long. This is I am going to the convenience store to pay the water bill. 好，再一次。
我爱去便利商店缴水费。对，缴水费还有一种说法可以说水料。对，就是水费。
That's another way of saying water bill. 水料。
对
OK， 这个是
也是
海陆腔吗？
视线。
哦 OK， 再一次。
我爱去便利商店缴水料。So two ways, 水费 and 水料。对。
OK， 好，再一个是我要去银行缴瓦斯费。I'm going to the bank to pay off my gas bill.
我愛去
銀行
繳瓦斯料。
繳瓦斯料。
對，我愛去銀行繳瓦斯料。对，那海陆腔的银行就不是这样的讲法，就銀行。Yeah，
银行，所以视线跟海陆的银行，我们再讲一次。
视线是銀行，海陆腔是銀行。
Okay, and we're going to pay off our electric bill. 缴电费。
繳天料。
Okay, 那我们要缴电话费。We're going to pay our phone bill.
繳天花費。
All right, so the next time you go and pay your bills, Ron, you could do it in Hakka.
Yes, indeed.
All right.
He'll love it. 繳天花費.
All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
按子誰張來了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.